Monica's Vigilance, a guide to pillar drill care. Meet Monica, a skilled craftsperson who values precision and longevity in her work. Her most trusted companion in the workshop is her robust, pillar-type drilling machine. Monica knows that to keep it performing at its best, consistent care and attention are essential. Before Monica begins any maintenance, safety is her top priority. She always disconnects the machine from its power source to prevent any electrical hazards. Then, she puts on her safety glasses and gloves, ensuring she's protected for the task ahead. Monica's daily routine starts with a thorough inspection. She carefully checks for any loose bolts, belts, or handles, tightening them as needed. She also ensures all safety guards are securely in place, ready to protect her during operation. After each use, Monica takes the time to clean her machine. She meticulously removes all dust, metal shavings, and debris from the table, column, and chuck using a soft brush or cloth. This prevents buildup that could affect precision. Once a week, Monica focuses on lubrication. She applies the manufacturer-recommended lubricant to the spindle, quill, and column. This reduces friction and ensures smooth, effortless movement, but she's careful to avoid over-lubrication. Her weekly check also includes the electrical components. Monica inspects the power cord, plugs, and switches for any signs of wear or damage. If anything looks worn, she knows it's crucial to replace it promptly to maintain safety. Monthly, Monica dedicates time to more in-depth checks. She inspects the drive belts for any wear or looseness and adjusts the tension according to the manufacturer's guidelines. A properly tensioned belt is key to consistent performance. She also examines the chuck, cleaning it thoroughly with a brush or compressed air. Monica inspects it for any signs of wear and lubricates or replaces it if she finds any damage. A clean, functional chuck ensures secure bit holding. Annually, Monica performs a comprehensive cleaning of all components, including the motor housing, using appropriate cleaning solutions. She replaces any belts, bearings, or bushings that show significant wear. Finally, she schedules a professional technician for calibration and a detailed inspection, ensuring her machine remains in top condition. Monica's expertise extends to general operation tips too. She always uses sharp, material-appropriate drill bits to reduce strain on the machine and adjusts the speed for the material type to prevent overheating. When not in use, she stores her machine in a clean, dry environment with a dust cover. Monica knows that regular maintenance ensures her pillar drill's longevity, precision, and safety, making every project a success. For more quality tools and machinery, visit Max Machine Tools at www.maxmachines.in.